In this video I'm going to be showing you how you can print any size sheet on an 8.5 by 11 printer. So here I want to print a large format 24 by 18 sheet, but I only have an 8.5 by 11 printer. So what you can do is in Adobe Acrobat, go to File, Print, and as you can see it's 8.5 by 11, and I want to go to the poster option, the print settings. Make sure that the drawing is set to 100% scale so it's accurately scaled. You want to set an overlap, slight overlap of 0.005, and make sure the cut mark option is set so it'll show you where to cut this drawing when it's printed. And then go ahead and select print. So this will print 8 sheets. Go ahead and cut them and put them together. So the first thing we're going to need are printed sheets on the 8.5 by 11. The second thing we're going to need is a straight edge to guide the cuts. And then the third thing we're going to need is a very sharp blade to cut through the sheets. And you're going to need some tape to tape these all together when you're done. So let's get started by selecting your sheets. So what you're going to see is there's going to be tick marks on the 8.5 by 11 that shows where you should cut it, and that's from that setting that we turned on the Adobe Acrobat printing interface. And what you want to do is you want to line up the ruler with these. You want to cut right at the edge, because this will help you guide where these sheets are going to be. There, lined up with this side here. And you only need to do that on the side that you're going to be overlapping on the next sheet. So you can see these two sheets here. Since I cut this side here, it now overlaps and is seamless with this one adjacent to it. So I'm just going to cut the top. Cut these one side on all of these sheets going that way. This is the bottom right corner. So we put all those to the side. So now we have the whole bottom half printed out, cut. Bottom 4 pieces, like that. So I'm going to start with the top. So since I cut the tops of these sheets off, I can overlap them on these sheets here. So I only need to make one cut on each one of these sheets now. So one on the same side of all of them. And that's going to be this side here on the left side. Now you want to line them all up, make sure you got all the cuts that you need. That looks pretty good. So now I'm going to start with top sheets here, start taping those together. So what I want to do is I want to make sure these are really close, because the first sheet will kind of influence how the rest of them kind of fit together. And if it's off by a little bit, it's going to be showing on the rest. Piece of tape on one side, and another piece of tape on the other side. Make sure there's no slack in the middle. Then we're going to take the next sheet. So there we go. We have a large format drawing from just 8.5 by 11 paper. This is a great way to save time and money, especially if you do not have a large format plotter or printer and you don't want to go to the store like FedEx, Kinko's, and print a large format plot. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Feel free to subscribe or follow me at Pangea Express on Instagram. Alright, cheers.